Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by wearing the Apple Watch snugly and enabling heart rate and wrist detection so readings are accurate during heavy movement. Next, open the workout app and pick strength, HIIT, or indoor run to match your session. Set a time, calories, or open goal if you want. Once done, enable silent mode and do not disturb on the watch so vibrations, not sounds, notify you. This keeps tracking clean and avoids interruptions while you begin your first set. You calibrate the watch by doing a 20-minute outdoor walk or run with your iPhone to improve pace and calorie estimates. This matters for treadmill or mixed sessions. During the gym workout, choose structured options. Set timers for intervals, use reps mode for strength sets, or let auto-detect log activity transitions. Make sure motion and fitness and wrist detection remain on so the accelerometer and heart rate combine for accurate calorie burn. Once calibrated, your summaries will better reflect real effort. You finish by ending the workout on the watch and immediately glance at duration, calories, average and peak heart rates to confirm data looks reasonable. Then sync to your iPhone to view splits, heart rate zones, and trends in the fitness app or export to third-party apps. If something goes wrong, like missing heart rate or 0 calories, reseat the watch a bit tighter, wipe the sensor, and restart the watch. This fixes most sensor and connection issues quickly, so your next session is reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.